carry our day-to-day activities, to be healthy, to perform well, to excel in our lives. And along with that, like we have lots of environmental concerns, like the climate change is happening. We are seeing unusual rains or high temperatures, and then air pollution, water pollution. So all these things are happening, and what are the reasons? Like using the automobiles or the cars which are leading the polluted air. So we should learn to minimize using these things, save water, save our air, save the climate. And not only that, the food which we eat also today it is very unhealthy. Like we see here about lot of pesticides, like lot of contamination in the water, contamination in the milk, and contamination to many of the foods which we are eating. So the way to overcome this is we have a concept of having kitchen gardens. Like each home we can grow some of the vegetables which are useful for us, or having a community gardens, community kitchens. Likely soon through this Anganwadi centers and all, the ministry is having a plan to introduce community gardens. Like we need not look for exotic foods which are coming. We need not eat kiwis, we need not eat lichus. We have to eat our local guavas. Jungle, we have to eat guavas, we have to eat bananas, all the seasonal fruits we have. We need not look for any exotic fruits. Our fruits, our vegetables which are grown locally are enough to give us the minerals or vitamins or everything which we need for our good health. And eat less of processed foods, okay? Less of junk foods, because they are all empty calories. Like I was talking here on like how the malnutrition picture is there in India. Earlier we have only children or population who are underweight, like who are anemic, stunted, who doesn't have enough food to eat and all. But the present India, it has come across a lot of economically forward, but at the same time it brought us towards a double burden of malnutrition. It is called obesity. On one side we still have malnutrition with underweight and many neonatal deaths, child deaths and all. On the other side we have excess of food or eating junk food which is leading to obesity. So that we call as double burden of malnutrition. Of late there is one more thing which is coming, which is called triple burden. That means we don't have enough micronutrients which are required, like iron, zinc, potassium, magnesium. All are the micronutrients which are required for our body to perform the routine activities. So that is called hidden hunger. We eat enough food, we eat sufficient food, but all the requirements are not being satisfied for the body which are required. So that is called hidden hunger. So we can overcome that when we eat lot of fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and include whole grains, like decrease the processed foods. Like even if we take rice or wheat, most of them are being processed. The outer layer is being removed. A few of the children have shown, I think in the pre-primary classes, they have told me about vitamins and all. It's nice to see the rice grains, the vitamin B1, B2, riboflavin, thiamine. So the outer layers are lost if we process the foods. And also we need to include more millets of late, like with the increased rise in non-communicable diseases like hypertension, heart attacks, strokes, diabetes and all, we need to include more of millets. They help us to control weight, control the sugar levels, and also to give us the necessary fiber which is required. So these are all the problems of nutrition, and you can overcome them by eating a healthy diet, being physically active, and not only that, eating fresh fruits and vegetables will also improve your immunity. Like we all have faced the COVID pandemic. So what all changes were made during that COVID pandemic? we were looking towards our spices which we have, the turmeric, garlic, and what else? Lemon, honey. So each one had their own secret mix for the pandemic, to fight the pandemic, right? So we have to be more focused on what is available, what we are eating and all. So this I like share with you, since I am coming from a nutrition institute. Apart from that, with the science fair, like the theme is very encouraging, like all children like having that thinking in them about protecting the environment, saving our environment. It's very good. We have lot of policies, reforms, some act here which is agreed in the parliament here and there. But then what daily we can practice to save our environment. So those things we can start doing right now. We need not wait for a policy to come. We need not wait for a like law to allow us to do it. But in our own small ways, we can start saving our environment, like using water judiciously, using electricity properly, decrease the number of automobiles, using public transport. Like these are all the things which all of us know. But then at least if we start practicing from now, we will save our environment. And coming to the students and all, I see lot of enthusiasm in them. Like many of them, of course, like I was able to listen to most of the students' things, but still I think I missed a few in the Eureka club and the Aqua club. But it's nice to see them learning the mechanics of the gadgets and then explaining them and all, which is required. Like now we are moving from an old education system to a new education system. It's not that all of you need not become doctors and engineers. All of you need not become IAS and IPS. But then there are diverse fields now, like where people are excelling. There are new things coming up, new businesses which are starting, new entrepreneurs which are coming. Like you choose a interest of your field, you excel in that field. So that is what is necessary. And I think more platforms like this are needed for the students to like get themselves encouraged with all these activities. Like sitting, reading textbooks and all, everyone can do. But then when you start preparing all these charts, all these the activities, then you get to use your brain, you get to use your creativity. Like creativity is need to be cultivated. You need not by heart everything. It's just by following the practical cue, you will achieve everything. So lastly, I would like to thank the school management like for coming up of this idea, because like it gave, I think, a total reboot to all the students to be totally involved in the school activities and all. And for selecting the theme, I would especially appreciate the school management, like which is the need of the hour. And yes, it definitely. It's a very practical or like very nice thing to choose this topic in itself, like where we have multiple things to showcase, but then the present concern with environment what we are having, it's very like thoughtful like theme to have it. So I would like to congratulate the management team for that, and I would like to congratulate all the students for giving their enthusiastic performances, and I wish you all the best. And on behalf of NIN, I would like to also make a what is called kind of announcement or invitation that we do have an open day once in a year, and we also like welcome, like whenever any requests come from schools and all, we are open and we are welcome to actually show the students what kind of research we are doing and what are the activities which are being carried out, how can you improve yourselves in terms of nutrition. Not only that, like career wise also, like how can you progress like in terms of research and all. We are also open, and I request like if anyone is having such interest, they can contact our extension division where they will guide you how to do all these things. I think I'll not take much time. I have taken enough time with these small few words. Once again, I would like to thank the organizers, the school management and all for giving me this opportunity, and definitely it is a very well enjoyed day for me. Thank you.
Today's chief guest, Honorable Tina Desai ma'am, is a scientist, National Institute of Nutrition, along with my friends of different correspondents of directors of the different schools. Sir, it's a great privilege to be here, and thanks to ma'am given the wonderful information, interacted with the students in every section. It is a good approach that the interacting with the students are giving some kinds of knowledge. It is a very few people are doing like this, sir. Ma'am, you are given the very valuable information regarding to the diets of the students also. First of all, I thanks to the management and the teacher, their hard work, because after 2 years of the pandemic, the students are forget to learn and read and write. After the 2 years, they come back to the school. This is the talents of the teachers and the management. They develop the confidence by conducting this kind of the environmental expos. So I see that many of the students are perform very well, and the way it arranged is a balanced type of exhibition. In every section you are covered, especially in the Diniyat also it's covered, the mentioning of the animal's name in Quran, and around about the upper side is the second floor, I think it's further. I also visited all along with the ma'am. The ma'am also interacted. That they are giving the good information regarding to the if a bird sitting on the wire does not get the shock. So what is the reason? One more, see that the boy is showing that when you put a piece of cloth in the water, it's become darker. More, the light is becoming darker. I also see that they're showing the spectrum and Pascal law and electric dynamometers. And here we also show the science fair. Ma'am also interacted regarding to the thyroid glands. Why it is the most today's problem? Why the thyroxine properly not secreted? Because of the reason that the food which we are taking, this lack of iodine is there. That is the reason we are today utilizing the iodized salt in daily life to prevent the hypothyroidism. And also ma'am visited the Health is Wealth, where they ask about the regarding to the very good display there, the importance of the nutrient in the life, where we had to take the food, what type of food we should be taken and what type of food should not be taken, nicely displayed in the Health is Wealth. Next one, Eureka is the word is a Greek. I found it. This word used by the Archimedes when he invented the law of Archimedes. So you know that story of Archimedes. That time the king has given the one task to the Archimedes. So regarding to the purification of the crown, that started when he is bathing in the tub. At that time he realized, then started shouting, Eureka, Eureka, Eureka. That is mean, if you visit the Ramoji city also, film city also, there is the first, you can see that Eureka is the word has written there. So that means that find out, something had invented. In this particular section, I puzzled to see that because today we are using the most of the gadgets, but we know the merits for our benefits only. But every refrigerator, micro oven, Wi-Fi, laptop, and how they are demerits also. So this is a unique kind of information given. Generally what we have to see that microphone कैसे काम करता है, सब चीज़ें देते हैं, but we don't give that information regarding the demerits of these gadgets. So it is a good information. I also come across one child is asking about the puzzle box. So in the puzzle box has given about the chits, I pick up one sheet, the number is 3, the question is called what is microphone. So I given the answer, I got Park also, again I written that, has given the chocolates also. Ma'am also pick up one stick, she also got one question, she also give the good answer, you also get the chocolate one. It means that these, what I want to say that, every corner you balancely maintain. Generally what happened, once you organize the exhibition, the same kind of topic is going on, that you get with the board. But here, in every section is totally different. It's not, it's mixing to the others. So that is create the interest in the students as well as the parents who are going to visit our exhibition. So that is the uniqueness or organizing this kind of exhibition. First of all, thanks to and hats off to the Vikhar Ahmed Saleh Sahab and the team of Paragon. That's a very, very informative exhibition. Once again, I also congratulate to the student who are participated in this exhibition. Hats off you also, beta. You also show the confidence after the pandemic. Thank you very much. So always Vikhar Sahab is saying about that. कभी भी होता है तो मेरे पास भी एग्जीबिशन होता है तो मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ मैडम का नाम भूल जाता हूँ. तो मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ, हर एक सक्सेसफुल इंसान के हाथ जो होता है उसके पीछे तो मैडम ही होती है. हर सक्सेसफुल एक इंसान के बाद में औरत का ही हाथ होता है. विदाउट द वुमेन देयर इज़ नो नथिंग इज डेवलपिंग. हमेशा ये कहता हूँ. तो यहाँ पर भी जो कामयाबी का राज है आपके सर का मैडम की वजह से है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Now I request Director of Central Public High School, Fahim sir, to share his experience.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. मुझे आज बहुत मसरत हुई कि आपके एग्ज़िबिशन को विज़िट किया और आपका डिसिप्लिन और स्टैंडर्ड मुझे मालूम हुआ और ख़ास तौर से लड़कों का बॉयज़ की जो एग्ज़िबिशन इनेकाद की गई है इसके लिए मैं मैनेजमेंट, टीचर्स और इस टीम के कैप्टन जनाब विखार अहमद खाले साहब को दिल की गहराइयों से हदिये तशक्कुर पेश करता हूँ. प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पर बॉयज़ हैं. हर फील्ड में हम आगे हैं, लेकिन तालीम के मैदान में अगर देखा गया तो हम बहुत पीछे हैं. अगर जब हम एसएससी के रिज़ल्ट के ऊपर नज़र डालते हैं तो लड़कियां आगे होते हैं, लड़के पीछे होते हैं. अगर हम इंटरमीडिएट और ग्रेजुएशन के रिज़ल्ट देखें तो भी पास परसेंटेज और स्कोरिंग लड़कियों के आगे होती है. लेकिन अल्लाह ताला ने मर्द को फौक़ियत दिया है. फिज़िकली और मेंटली मर्द आगे है औरतों से. इसकी मिसाल ऐसे है जैसा कि हम समझते हैं कि पकवान पकाना औरतों का काम है और रोज़ वो अपने घर में पकाती हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई तकरीब, शादी हो तो कोई बावर्ची औरत नहीं है. एक 500,000 आदमी का पकवान औरत नहीं कर सकती. उसी तरह से कई एक प्रोफेशंस है. अगर हम कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम करते हैं तो अगर आप एक फ़ीमेल वर्कर और एक मेल वर्कर को लाते हैं तो मेल वर्कर की मजदूरी ज़्यादा है फ़ीमेल वर्कर से. तो इससे ये पता चला कि मर्द फिज़िकली और मेंटली आगे है. लेकिन इसके बावजूद अगर ये रिज़ल्ट्स के ऊपर हम नज़र डालें तो हम क्यों पीछे हैं? हमको आगे आना चाहिए. हम सिंसियर नहीं हैं, हम स्मार्ट वर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम हार्ड वर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम आज पीछे हो रहे हैं और लड़कियां आगे हो रही हैं. तो मेरी आपसे यही ख्वाहिश है कि आप लोग अगर मेहनत करिए कामयाबी आपके क़दम चूमेगी। और तकरीबन जो भी लड़कों ने इस एग्ज़िबिशन में हिस्सा लिया, यही मेरी नज़र में सही टीचिंग है। अगर आप जो टॉपिक पर आज बोले हैं वो टॉपिक आपको उम्र भर याद रहेगी। जैसा कि मैडम ने कहा कि स्कूल डेज़ भूलते नहीं, आप डॉक्टर बन जाइए, इंजीनियर बन जाइए, लेकिन आपको पूछा जाएगा कि आपका स्कूल कौन सा था, आपने स्कूलिंग कहाँ से की। तो बहरहाल मैं अपनी गुफ्तगू को तमाम करता हूँ और आपसे ख्वाहिश करता हूँ कि कम से कम यहाँ पर रिज़ल्ट लड़कियों से आगे नहीं तो कम से कम बराबर लाइए। जो उनकी स्कोरिंग है 10th क्लास के स्टूडेंट से, मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि वो लड़कियों के कम से कम बराबर आइए और बराबर आने के बाद फिर उनसे आगे निकलिए। खुदा हाफिज़, शुक्रिया।
अल्लाह सुब्हान तआला का लाख लाख शुक्र एहसान है कि हमारे विखार भाई कल खलील भाई के प्रोग्राम में बोले कि उसाम भाई आप आना है यहाँ पे, बोले तो मैं इंशाअल्लाह ताला, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी एक जॉब ड्राइव चल रहा है कंटिन्यूसली। एक 65 कंपनीज़ के हम लोग जॉब ड्राइव कर रहे हैं और गवर्नमेंट्स के जो जॉब्स 80,360 वैकेंसीज जो गवर्नमेंट के निकले हुए हैं, उसके ऊपर भी हम लोग यहाँ पे मोगल फंक्शन हॉल में डेली ट्रेनिंग्स दे रहे हैं बच्चों को, ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2, ग्रुप 3 के, ग्रुप 4 के और सिविल सर्विसेज के IPS IAS की ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं। मगर मैं विखार साहब के बारे में ये कहूँगा कि मैं विखार साहब से कमिटमेंट करा था कि मैं यहाँ पर यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक सिटवीन का ब्रांच दूंगा, बल्कि इंशाअल्लाह ताला यहाँ पे अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ कि आपको बहुत ही जल्दी टेक्निकल्स के जो भी कोर्सेस है सिटवीन के, टेक्निकल्स भी है। और मैं सिटवीन को, उन लोगों के पास मेडिकल कोर्सेज नहीं थे तो मैं सेक्रेटरीट्स में सिटवीन के बैनर के ऊपर मेडिकल कोर्सेज, जहाँ जहाँ सिटवीन के ब्रांचेस है वहाँ पर मेडिकल कोर्सेज गैलेक्सी स्पॉन्सर्स कर रहा है सिटवीन को। तो मैं मेडिकल एंड टेक्निकल कोर्सेज की इंशाअल्लाह ताला यहाँ पे विखार भाई का ने ब्रांच स्टार्ट करूँगा इंशाअल्लाह ताला वेरी रिसेंटली। इंशाअल्लाह ताला ये विद इन 1 वीक में या फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ रमज़ान में, क्योंकि मुबारक महीना है, रमज़ान में कौन सा भी काम करेंगे तो इंशाअल्लाह ताला बरकत रहेगा। तो मैं यहाँ पर एक सिटवीन का ब्रांच स्टार्ट करना चाह रहा हूँ और पैरामेडिकल एंड टेक्निकल। और जो बच्चे यहाँ पर आप लोग इंशाअल्लाह ताला मैं विखार भाई से एक परमिशन ले लेके, ख़ास तौर पे जो 10th के बच्चे हैं वो बच्चों के लिए मैं एक काउंसलिंग करूँगा, बल्कि लॉट ऑफ क्या है कोर्सेज है। आप लोगों को इतना ही मालूम है कि सिर्फ CEC MPC BIPC करना बोल के ही मालूम है, इससे हट के कई हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट्स के कोर्सेज हैं जो लॉट ऑफ क्या है बेनिफिट्स है। आप लोगों को मेडिकल के कोर्सेज है, नॉन मेडिकल के कोर्सेज है, टेक्निकल कोर्सेज है, प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज है, ऐसे कोर्सेज जो आप लोग, हम लोगों का ड्रीम्स क्या है इंजीनियर या डॉक्टर्स बनना, बोल के इंजीनियर डॉक्टर्स बने तो उन लोगों की 30,000 25,000 50,000 है। 1-1 1.5 लाख अगर आप हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज करेंगे, 1-1 लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए उसमें सैलरी से हमारे बच्चे वो ट्रैक पे जा रहे नहीं। तो मैं ये चाह रहा हूँ कि इंशाअल्लाह ताला स्पेशली एक सेक्शंस यहाँ पे रखूँगा, क्योंकि ये एक साइंस एग्जीबिशंस का है। आप लोग अच्छा वेल परफॉर्मेंस किए। साइंस एक ऐसी नेमत है अल्लाह सुब्हानहू ताला के, जो बच्चा जो ग्रोथ होता है वहाँ से लेकर टिल डेथ तक हमारे को क्या है डेवलपमेंट्स के बारे में हमारे को मालूम होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की हदीस है तलबुल इल्मी फरीज़तुन अला कुल्ली व मुस्लिमिन व मुस्लिमात, इल्म का हासिल करना हर मुसलमान मर्द और औरत पर फ़र्ज़ है। तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इल्म हासिल करिए, पैदा हुए जब से लेकर मरे तक आप इल्म हासिल करिए। मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को वहाँ से कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, कंपनीज वाले आए हुए हैं कॉलेज पे, तो मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेते हूँ। मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देंगे, रिजल्ट्स अच्छा देंगे, कुरान से जुड़े हुए रहेंगे और विखार सर के इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करेंगे। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
On behalf of the management, the staff and the students, I am grateful and thankful to you, ma'am, Dr. Tina Desai, Scientist C from the National Institute of Nutrition. Ma'am personality is so inspiring, especially to all our students. Being so young, she got the rank of the scientist. How she have completed she holds the degree of the MBBS. Now she got a very good job, hold a very good position in National Institute of Nutrition. I, on behalf of the management, warmly welcome you, ma'am, on this auspicious occasion. I am grateful and thankful to Javed sir, our guest of honor, a great educationist, a dedicated personality. Fahim sir, Chief Patron of the High Tech Federation, Director of the Central Public High School. He is also having a vast experience in the educational field. I am also thankful to all my brothers, Srinivas Reddy Sargaru, Anand Sargaru, Baba Sargaru, Badr bin Abdullah Sargaru and Rafa Sargaru for giving your precious time, for being here with us, making our day more memorable. Thank you, Mr. Arif. Thank you to 99 TV for their coverage. And last but not the least, I am thankful to all the staff members for their dedication, for all your efforts to make this event more colorful. And once again, thank you to all the staff members. And I appreciate the students, especially the boys. You too have taken the interest in the subject, and I hope that you will continue the same. God bless you all. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much.
A very glorious morning to one and all present here. I, Mr. Rehan Ali Ansari, take the privilege to welcome to our hall, that is Eureka, all about inventors and the inventions present in our hall. My friends will aware you all about the mechanism and the effects of the electronic gadgets, as we cannot imagine our life without electronic gadgets in our life. They not only enhances communication but also speed up work and boost up collaboration. Likewise, as coin have two versions as well as pros and cons. Likewise, gadgets also have the two versions, advantages and the effects to the nature. Thank you.
I am Sheikhan of 9th standard. Today I am going to tell you about water purifier mechanism. Both water filter and water purifier work on same principle. Therefore, suck up raw water which is contaminated, filter out impurities, sediment to microorganism and then dispense clean water. Effect of water purifier on environment. Water purification may impact several socio-economic sectors including environment, health, food, energy and national security. Aruga Forbes and alkaline water. Aruga Forbes is the #1 brand of AquaGuard in India. Aruga Forbes is performing boom in the market. This water purifier comes with nutrition TM technology. It contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. It is a market leader of India. Alkaline water. Alkaline water is used by customers who is having cholesterol, high blood pressure and diabetes. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning. I am Mohammad Jamaluddin of 6th class. Today I am going to tell you about microwave oven. An American engineer, Percy Spencer, is generally credited with inventing the modern microwave oven. After World War II, from radar, a system that uses radio waves to find the position of objects that can't be seen. Technology developed during the war named radar range. It was first sold in 1946. Precautions of microwave oven. Save microwaves, use containers and avoid superheated water. Check off leakages. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Mohammad Sami of 10th standard. I am here to enhance your knowledge about the mechanism of microwave oven. Microwaves are reflected inside the oven by an electronic tube called magnetization. The microwaves are reflected within metal interior of the oven where they are absorbed by food. Microwaves causes water molecule in food to vibrate, produce heat that cooks the food. Now I will say you effects of microwave oven. Microwave radiation can hit the body tissue in the same way it hits the food. Exposure to high level microwave causes painful burns to areas of the body. The eyes and the testes are particularly vulnerable to heating radio frequency of the relatively. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I am Sheikh Mudassir of 10th standard from Paragon High School. Today I am going to tell you about Wi-Fi. First of all, Wi-Fi was invented by Hedy Lamar in 21 September 1989. It is very useful device which we can connect one device with another. Now we talk about mechanism of Wi-Fi, how Wi-Fi works. Firstly, a wireless adapter translates data into radio signals and easily transmit it using antenna. Then after that, our router is there to translate data into internet to ethernet. Now we talk about the radiation which caused by the Wi-Fi. The radiation, the Wi-Fi with the excessive use of Wi-Fi with associated with exposure in learning, memory, fatigue and sleep deprivation related to reduce the secretion of melatonin and increase the secretion of diencephalon, which is harmful to our body. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. I am Abdurrahim of 6th standard. I am going to tell you about introduction of Alexa from Paragon High School. Amazon Alexa, also known as simply Alexa, is a virtual assistant technology largely based on a Polyspeech synthesizer named Ivona bought by Amazon in 2013. It was the first use in the Amazon Echo Smart Speaker and the Echo Dot Echo Studio and the Amazon Top Speakers developed by Amazon Lab 126. Alexa is able to play music, provide information, deliver news, sports scores, tell you the weather. Alexa is a female form of Alex. It is variously a given name in its own right or a short form of Alexandra, both of which come from Greek name of Alexandra. Thank you. My senior friend will continue.
Good afternoon. I am Yusuf of 10th standard and I am telling you about Alexa. Alexa is a Alexa is a voice and is based on the and it's happy to help anybody. If there is internet access and devices connect to Alexa, Alexa can play your songs and dim the light of your room. Alexa is a cloud based on voice service available more than 100 million devices from Amazon is a third party manufacturing. If the Alexa is natural world experience that offers a customer to more interactive way to new technology every day. The support of Alexa is Echo began and 2011 Project D. The support of Alliance's version 1.2 and 3.0 defined by the Zigbee Alliances. The frequency used in Alexa is 24 dignitide and 24 dignitide. The Alexa inventor is Jeff Bezos. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Mohammad Samadullah of 6th standard. I am telling you about headphone. Nathaniel Bill invented the first pair of audio headphones, assembling modern repairs at his kitchen table in the year 1910. Now my senior tell you about the mechanism of headphones.
Good morning, I am Muhammad Fazil of 10th standard of Paragon High School. I am going to tell you about the mechanism of headphone, how it's works. First of all, according to the principle, headphone works same as the speaker and the opposite of microphone. That to say, they essentially turn the electrical energy to the sound energy by using a magnet to vibrate the air. So effects, if you throw your headphone in the garbage, they often end up in the landfill. In this landfill, this headphone take a lot of time to break down or decompose. So I request you don't throw your headphone in the garbage because it is relatable or reusable. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. I am Muhammad Sohail of 10th standard and I like to share you about a mechanism of laptop. Laptop combine of all input and output capabilities and component of a desktop computer, including its display screen, keyboard, data storage and disk drives and a processing on operating system into a small device. Let us discuss about a effect of laptop on environment. The component of a typical laptop can contain a mercury, lead, chromium and other heavy metal that provide energy and preserve functionally. If these toxins end up in a land instead of a recycling center, they could be contaminate the groundwater, surface water and land around a field. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Mohammad Umar of 6th standard. I am telling you about automatic washing machine. Automatic washing machine. The British Corporation invented the first automatic washing machine in the late 1930s. It works on a very simply principle. There against clothes repeatedly in soapy water until there are clean and then clean water replaces the soapy water until the clothes are rinsed completely. Thank you. Very good morning. I am Sheikh Sufyan of 6th standard. I am going to tell you about air condition. On July 1792, Willis Haviland Carrier designed the first modern air conditioning system, launching an industry that will fundamentally improve the way we live, work and play. He was born on 26 November 1876 in Angola in New York City. I like to tell you about the effects of air conditioner on an environment. Air conditioner require lots of energy to function properly. It consumes so much electricity and this releases pollution. When fossil fuel is burned, carbon dioxide is also released into the air, more commonly known as a greenhouse gas, which is the major contribution to ozone depletion. My friend will tell you about precaution of air condition.
Very pleasant morning. I am MD Muzammil Law 6th standard. Already my friends told you introduction and effects of the air conditioner. Now I am going to tell you about precautions of air conditioner. Precautions of air conditioner are get the air filter washed and clean. AC is helping stopping to dirt and dust coming from into a room. This filter should not access to particulate their matters and should be clean in order to function efficiently. Thank you.
Packet food means food that has its entire surface covered in order to prevent like permeable or impermeable wrapping surface.
Good morning, my name is Muhammad Riyan of 8th standard. I am going to tell you about sustainable packing structures, shared disposal and recycled material, ship in a smaller package, recycled package material, plant-table packing, editable planking, plant-based packing, use less virgin material, avoid mixed material, say no to straws and plastic bags. Look for a term retail or a no plastic, better health, live better living. Thank you.
Paragon High School. You know Paragon High School is the very greatest high school.
Good morning, my name is Mohammad Khaja. I am studying in 8th class. I am saying about 10 effects of smoking. That includes cardiovascular disease and chronic respiratory conditions, breathing problem and stroke, blood circulation problem, dental problem, hearing loss, vision loss and infections. Thank you, my friend.
Good morning, myself Shakespeare. I am of 10th standard. I am telling you about cigarette. A cigarette is the narrow cylinder containing burn-able material, typically that is rolled into thin paper. The cigarette is ignited at one end, other substance. The cigarette is smolder. Resulting smoking is most commonful method. Stop smoking and save your life. Thank you. Next.
Good morning. I am Mohammad Mubashir of 10th standard. I am going to say you about some points, advantages cigarette. Added risk of cancer of the mouth, throat pain and voice box, stroke, kidney decreases 10 to 15 years. Added risk of cancers after 10 to 15 years. Risk of cancer, esophagus and kidney decreases. Thank you.
पूरे आ जा रहे हैं ठीक है ना।
Good
morning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Khaja Pasha, belongs to 10th standard. Health is important to each and everyone. Everyone needs to be healthy, not only physically but also mentally. I am here to share you about the importance of health. Health is wealth, so each and everyone has a right and responsibility to a healthy lifestyle. Health is a blessing of God. It enables a man to enjoy a happy lifestyle. Physical exercise is necessary to preserve good health. Reputation, honor, wealth, all are meaningless to a healthless man. All the cost of health, one should not run after the wealth. So, health is the greatest wealth. A healthy poor man is happier than the rich healthless man. Should take balanced diet to maintain your body, health body. So many people spend their health to gaining wealth, and then they have to spend their wealth to regain the health. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
Observe the model of the teeth. How are the teeth arranged? Are all the teeth are similar in shape and size? Is there any relation between the shape and the function of the teeth? Dental formula explains about the shape and the function of the teeth. Dental formula explains about the shape and the function of the teeth. The muscles of the mouth enable the food to be pushed into the oral cavity and to be moved around. As the food cannot be swallowed directly, the teeth shred, grind and chew it. The jaw moves up and down, backward, forward during the food mastication. The tongue movement evenly spreads the food mixing with its saliva. The fifth cranial nerve has been found to be control the muscles of the mouth. Thank you.
Structure and a function of a tooth. A tooth that is visible in your mouth is only a part of a tooth. The root of a tooth is completely burned into the jawbone. Structure of a tooth. A tooth consists enamel, dental, cementum and pulp tissue. The portion of a tooth is exposed to the oral cavity is known as dental croll, through which the dental pulp called exists in the center of a tooth, through which the dental pulp cord never runs in order. Parental ligament, enamel. The hardest body tissue cover the surface of a tooth is a dental croll. It is hard as a crystal, 7 or more scales mineral hardness. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Muhammad Murtaza of 7th standard. Today I may tell you about blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of blood against the wall of arteries when the heart contracts. Everyone has blood pressure. While a certain amount of pressure is needed to keep blood flowing, this pressure can increase if blood meets blood flowing through the arteries. If this pressure is persistently high, that is called high blood pressure or hypertension. Blood pressure can reduce by following a healthy eating plan that is high in fruit and vegetable. I usually eat at least 5 pieces of fruit and vegetable. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Mir Ahmed Ali of 10th standard. My topic is about internal structure of kidney. What is kidney? In human being there is a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown structure in abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. One and either they are kidney. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. The size of kidney in length is 10 cm, in breadth is 5 to 6 cm and in thickness is 4 cm. Each kidney is convex on outer side and concave on inner side. The position of right kidney is lower than the left kidney due to the presence of liver above.
Good morning, my name is Mohammad Nasiruddin Suleiman of 10th class. Today I will show you about BMI, Body Mass Index. Sound health is prerequisite for happiness, while for the adults it is defining your quality of your child life. It is essential for both physically and mentally. It is indicative measure of good health in adults in the height and weight chart. In children, while the children it attend the greater important, it is the benchmark of the overall development of the child. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Said Ali of 9th standard. Today I will explain you about electric motor. Why electric motor is important? Because it is very useful in our daily routine. What is electric motor? Electric motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Most electric motors operate through interaction between motor's magnetic field and electric current in a wire when to generate force in the form of torque applied on the motor shaft. There are main 6 parts of electric motor: bearing, rotor, stator, commutator, and air gap bushes and winding. Various types of electric motors are included: DC motor, synchronous motor, 3-phase induction motor, single-phase induction motor, or other specific special hyper motor. Where does electric motor use? An electric motor is extremely important in modern day life. They use in vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, computer printer, and fax machine, etc. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Sarfaraz Khan of 9th standard. Today I am standing in front of you to share my views on the topic of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is a branch of physics involving the structure of electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is carried by the electromagnetic field composed of electric field and the magnetic field. It is one of the 4 fundamental interaction in nature. At high energy, the weak force and the electromagnetic force combined and unified as a single electroweak force. These are the applications of electromagnets. We will do it practically. It is a source of power, battery. It is a magnetic compass, and it is a conductor. When we are attaching the battery to the conductor, it produces magnetic field.
Good morning, myself Mohammad Shahbaz of 9th standard. Today I am telling you about Pascal law. Pascal law states that if pressure is disturbed throughout the fluid, so it can change uniform all the points of the fluid. Pascal law introduced by the French physicist and mathematician Blaise Pascal between 1653 and 1663.
Good evening.
Good afternoon. Good evening to one and all present here. Myself Syed Muhammad Ali of 10th standard. Today with our expo we are endeavoring to create awareness about the sustainable development. Science and technology play a vital role in our day-to-day life. As with the help of science and technology, the life of human became safer, quieter and easier. With the help of science, the human has achieved the way to launch their rockets towards the different planets of the solar system and gather the information about the ancient life form that was present of the earth. The National Science Day theme, integrated approaches to science and the technology for the sustainable development, was introduced by Dr. Jitendra Singh. The theme for such day are highly specialized, the particular aspect of a nation. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Adina of class 5th. Today I am tell you about why does water make a cloth darker. A wet cloth looks darker because less light is reflected from a wet cloth. Any cloth woven from a yarn or fiber. That fiber is in turn made of a smaller microfiber.
Good morning, my name is Mohammad Sufyan Sharif of 5th standard. Our eyes give us the sensation of seeing. The cloth having a certain level of brightness. When the cloth gets wet, the water fill in the gap between. Some of it no more likely to enter the water. Thank you. Microfiber, this is a fiber, this is a cloth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I am Abu Sufyan of 5th standard. I am telling about why he is cracked. He dynamited a motion from the skin which can lead to writing, crack or crack area on the feet, soap and body was container, chemical or irritants. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mohammad Farhan Pacha of 5th class. My topic is tip for treating crack heels. Apply heels balm in the morning to increase skin elasticity before you start your day. Moisturize your heels 2 to 3 times a day. Wear shoes that protect your heels. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Azizullah Bek of 4th class. I am going to tell you about who rainwater harvest. Rainwater harvesting RWH is the collection and storage of rain. Rather, is collection from a rough-like surface and redirected to a tank, shanty, pit, well shop or boulevard, aquifer or a reservoir. pit well shop or borewell aquifer or a reservoir with pro-collection so that his species run and restore the groundwater. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Jafar Khan of 5th standard. I am going to tell you about why cannot colorblind people see all color clearly. Most people with color blindness can see almost all color. They are typically only blind to a few color. They are not completely blind to those color, but are only partially blind. Our eyes contain 3 types of color detecting self: red detecting cone, green detecting cone, and blue detecting cone. Each cone self can in complete blind in additional. Thank you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Nature's might, nature's art, nature's beauty, nature's moody, nature's smart, nature's blue, nature's green, nature's blue, nature will forever Good morning, green vegetable and clean fruit, carrot, tomato and apple. Momsly, eat them, mom. Economical, healthy, strong and tough. Thank you. Welcome, my name is Mohammad Wes. I am studying in class UKG. Do you know food to eat, food to eat, food to eat to make you healthy and strong? Chapati, rice with dal, fruits and vegetables to make you healthy and strong. Thank you. warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. मेरा नाम अलीजा खान है। हम यूकेजी जमात में पढ़ते हैं। उस्ताद का अदब हज़रत शेख शमसुद्दीन फरमाते हैं कि एक दिन मैं घोड़े पर जा रहा था। रास्ते में एक नाबीना साहिबा दिखी। उनकी लड़की हाथ पकड़कर जा रही थी। हज़रत शेख शमसुद्दीन घोड़े से उतरे और आप भी उनके साथ पैदल चलने लगे। लोगों ने पूछा ऐसा क्यों? आपने फरमाया ये मेरे उस्ताद है। उस्ताद पैदल चले, मैं घोड़े पर नहीं। ये उस्ताद का अदब नहीं, इसलिए मैं भी घोड़े से उतरकर उनके साथ पैदल चलने लगा। शुक्रिया। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम मरियम है। हम यूकेजी जमात में पढ़ते हैं और
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम सैयद हैदर अली, मैं LKG जमात में पढ़ता हूँ। आपको मैं सूरह फातिहा पढ़कर सुना रहा हूँ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमानिर रहीम मालिक यौमिद्दीन इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन इहदिनस सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़ज़ूबि अलैहिम वलज़्ज़ालिमीन आमीन।
मेरा नाम जुज़रा फातिमा है। हम UKG जमात में पढ़ते हैं। कुरान तिलावत करने से दिल का ज़ख्म दूर होता है, अल्लाह ताला के करीब होते हैं, अल्लाह ताला की मोहब्बत में तरक्की होती है, हर हरूफ पर 10 नेकियां मिलती है। शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं 5वीं जमात का तालिब इल्म हूँ। मैं आपको बाबिल के बारे में कहने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका जिक्र इस आयत में किया गया है। बादशाह अब्राह ने काबा शरीफ को तोड़ने के इरादे से किया था। अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म से बाबिल परिंदे अपने पैरों में कंकरियाँ लेकर हाथियों पर बरसाने लगे। देखने में कंकरियाँ बहुत छोटे थे, लेकिन उनका वजन इतना ज़्यादा था कि हाथियों में भागदौड़ मच गए। सभी हाथी वाले भाग गए। शुक्रिया।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद फैज़ है। मैं 10वीं जमात का तालिबुल इल्म हूँ। आज की टॉपिक अल्लाह ताला ने मेंढक और खटमल का जिक्र किया गया है। फ़अरसलना इलैकुमुल वलजरादा वलखुम्माला वज़्ज़फ़ादिया वद्दम आयातिन मुफ़स्सलातिन वस्तकबर वकानु क़ौमन मुजरिमीन। फिर हमने इन पर ज़्यादा मुसीबतें भेजी, तूफ़ान और टिड्डी दाल, जिससे फालिन जीत होगी। चिड़िया ये खटमल से मिलती जुलती है, जो इंसान के लिए पिस्सू इस तरीक़े से इंसान के खून को चूसती है। शुक्रिया।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अबरार, मैं 6वीं क्लास का तालिब इल्म हूँ। मैं आपको सुनाने जा रहा हूँ हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम के 2 बेटों के बारे में। हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम के बेटे काबिल ने हाबिल को मार डाला। अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म से 2 कौवे आए। एक कौवे ने दूसरे कौवे को ख़त्म किया और ज़मीन में गाड़ दिया। काबिल ने जब देखा तो गड्ढा खोदा और हाबिल को दफन कर दिया। शुक्रिया।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Myself director of the Paragon High School, मोहम्मद विखार अहमद। आज हमारे यहाँ इन्वायरमेंटल एक्सपो 2022 नाम की एग्ज़िबिशन का इनक़ाद किया गया है। इस एग्ज़िबिशन में 300 से ज़ायद बॉयज़ स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं। एक्सक्लूसिवली आज की एग्ज़िबिशन बॉयज़ के लिए है। On Saturday, we had one more exhibition in the girls block, in which 300 girls students were participated, and they have made more than 100 working models as well as same number of charts. Today we had exclusively boys exhibition in this boys block, in which 300 plus participants are there. So many working models and the charts. Our teachers have tried best to make this exhibition a grand successful. I am grateful and thankful to the parents for their cooperation, and students also have taken a great interest to make this exhibition a grand successful. I am thankful to Husamuddin sir, the director of the 99 TV, for capturing this event, for covering this entire showcase in the camera. Thank you very much, the entire team of the 99 TV. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.